Taste and see.
Have a bite, take a sip, heading to the next stop on the trip. Eat, drink, and be merry with me. It's magic in Pennsylvania, you'll see.
Just a middle-aged guy in the kitchen again, out on the road where it all begins.
Trying it out every town I go, finding the spots that the locals know. It's magic, you see, it's a magical ride. From the streets to the countryside, taste and see from the kitchen view. Pennsylvania's calling you. City made of steel, where the people are real, and the food is so good. Just a middle-aged guy in the kitchen.